My name is Jennifer Gray Thompson, and I am the Executive Director of Rebuild NorthBay Foundation. Rebuild NorthBay was founded on October 13th in the midst of the fires. And Darius Anderson, our founder, looked around and he realized that this was such a devastating event in our entire region that it would take more than just the public sector to address it. And so he gathered together the right leaders in the business community, health sectors, education, and the nonprofits, some of the most talented leaders in our area, so that they could work together to bring their leverage and everything they have to the benefit of the rebuild. Our mission and our vision is to rebuild the North Bay better, safer, greener, and faster. And we know that that's a simple statement, but we also know that it's entirely possible to not only address what is going on here behind me, but also to leap ahead regionally as we address some of the issues that we had previous to the fires with regard to housing. We can leap ahead regionally, but it actually takes a lot of collaboration and a lot of willingness to say yes. We are interested in seeing sectors de-siloed, meaning that we would like people who are normally not in the same room together, such as the environmental community and the development community, to work together to make our rebuild something that we are incredibly proud of when we turn around in 10 years. We want the talents of both sides of the table. This is a project called the RiseUp project, and it was so named because there was this song by Andrew Day that a lot of communities used during the fires to perfectly illustrate how sad we were as a community, that this was unprecedented devastation, but also how amazing we were to each other. That for many of us, it was the most terrifying physical experience we'd ever been through, but the most amazing human experience. We're often taught that in a time of disaster or when something is going horribly wrong in the world, that people turn on each other and that resources become scarce. But the truth is that when something goes wrong in the community, we turn towards each other. We do not turn away. This is something we saw happen constantly during the fires. Whatever talents people could bring to the fore and to the fight, they did. If you could feed people, that's what you did. If you could clothe people, that's what you did. If you could shelter them. Rebuild North Bay is sort of a metaphor for that effort. We don't know where this is taking us, but we do know that if we all work together, that the result is going to be something far greater than anything we could experience if we were trying to get through this apart.